you guys. So I found wheels that I like, and they want a pretty good price for them. What I'm doing is I'm about to gas up now and head out. The rims are about 3 hours away. I got them for a steal. Once I get to them, I'll let you know. All right. So I got the rims and tires. Man, it is now 12:52 in the morning, and I'm just making it back home. It wasn't supposed to take as long as it took, but it was worth it. Thanks for watching. All right, guys, let me give you a look at the wheels that I purchased last night. If my dog will ever let me you guys look. And of course I would leave my keys on the inside, but there's a look. Of course I'm gonna need new tires, but with the price that they gave me for them, a brand new set of tires will still keep me under $2,000. So got the wheels, gonna take them to get new wheels and hopefully get them installed today or tomorrow, and finish taking off the side paneling of the truck.